I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the system and getting into the BIOS. Power off, press the Lenovo button or F2 as the Lenovo logo appears. This opens BIOS. Once in, navigate to the Security or Boot tab to find Secure Boot and Boot Mode. You're checking why Vanguard flagged Secure Boot as missing and gathering the settings you'll change. Make sure you have the admin password or supervisor key, because without it, you cannot modify Secure Boot or switch modes. Now you perform the key configuration and mode switch. If boot mode is Legacy or CSM, change it to UEFI so Secure Boot functions properly. This is why Vanguard requires Secure Boot. Enable Secure Boot, and when the firmware asks, choose to restore factory keys or enroll default Microsoft keys. These are necessary for signed drivers. Once saved, reboot to confirm the firmware boots in UEFI with Secure Boot engaged. This action aligns the platform with Vanguard's integrity checks. Finish by validating and addressing any residual issues. Boot into Windows and run msinfo 32. Confirm Secure Boot reads on and BIOS mode is UEFI. This proves the change took effect. Update Windows and device drivers, then reinstall Vanguard if it still errors, because a reinstall picks up the new firmware state. If you hit problems, reset BIOS to defaults and repeat enabling UEFI and Secure Boot. That often clears conflicting settings. If Secure Boot remains blocked, check for vendor firmware updates or contact Lenovo support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.